everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with another sticker haul. This one's from Tarins Sticker Shop. I love this shop, I adore this shop, and so anytime they're having a sale or even when they're not, I am like totally right on it. So this first, I have actually 2 orders in here, and so the first one I got during the TPC sale, the Planners Collaborative sale. So you guys really want to go check this sale out whenever it happens. I think the next one is coming up here in October, so maybe one of these will say it. But this is the freebies that I got with the sale. This one has Caitlin Made Me Do It. I used Caitlin's name. So this was the freebie that I got for that one. And then this one is Plan with Pizzazz. These are like the little TPC, it says TPC September Shop Swap exclusive sampler. So how cute is that? Happy Haunting. Very, very cute. I love Mrs. Frankenstein right there. Very cute. This one is from Penguin Planner, Craft Penguin Planner. Again, cute. Which parking? Only others will be towed. How cute is that? This one is from Inspire Ever After. And this is the next TPC sale is 10/11 through 10/15. So y'all mark that on your calendars. How cute. Sarah Elizabeth Prince. Adorable. Pink Limeade Designs, and y'all are going to see, but I probably bought from almost every single one of these companies in my hauls. The Modest Cat. Beyond Paper Flowers. Autumn Crafting. Perfect Prince Co. These are cute. And Taryn's Sticker Shop too. And then it's just sweet and spooky. I love it. And her, gosh, her paper feels so good. This one says, Find Yourself and Be That. I love that. So this was a freebie as well. Okay, so let's get this going. All right, this first one is, I want to give you the right Harvest Basic Kit. This is a weekly planner sticker kit. These are the glitter headers. Aren't those beautiful? And then let's do it this way. These are the full boxes with the Monday through Sunday. And it says Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. Definitely, I think I'm going to use this in my B6. And then here's your heart checklist, your heart check full box, half box, quarter box, habit trackers, headers, payday, weekend, banner, bill dues, little icons, plan, and then the TV. Very cute. Payday. I love this kit. This is adorable. Okay, and then this one, of course, because y'all know I'm a football fan here, is the pink football. And here are your headers, or your glitter headers. And I probably will use this in October for Breast Cancer Awareness Month as well. And it says, it's the most wonderful time of the year. And she's in all pink. Love it. So cute. Pink bows, habit trackers, bill dues, full boxes, ready, set, eat. And then here are your full heart. Oh, by the way, this is foiled, by the way. I'm sorry. Let me see if I can catch it on my camera. Oh, come on. There you go. You see it? It's pink foiled. There you go. Sorry, guys. And then here's your pink foiled heart check boxes and habit trackers. Come on, pick it up a little bit better. There we go. Your headers and your little things and appointment boxes. Your washi half boxes, flags, and quarter boxes. Heart check boxes, icons, quarter boxes, excuse me. Your day covers that are also in foil, as well as the heart boxes and some of your icons. And then your bottom washi. How pretty is that? Your weekend banner, and then more icons, sleep in, trash day, payday, me time, date night, Friday, and then your foiled date dots. How pretty is that? It's gorgeous. Another good one, Taryn. All right, this was the second order. It says, you is kind, you is smart, you is important, from the help. Love that. Here's another freebie because I used Caitlin's name. And then these are the icons. Let me make sure. These are the foiled icons. Aren't those beautiful? Love these. This is the silver halo. Love. Then this color. These are the pastels. Pastel 1, pastel 3. Got them in out of order. Pastel 2. Pastel 4. Love these. And then here are the hearts. Pastel 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the bows. Pastel 1. Out of order. Sorry, guys. 2, 3, 4. And then I also got some glitter page flags as well. For those kits that do not have them, I can put them up on the top of my Erin Condren. Okay, guys, so that is what I got from Tarins Sticker Shop. Please go check her out. You can use Caitlin, I'm sure, and all the other girls as well. They are all awesome for your PR girls. Let's see, let me move these up so that you can get a glimpse at most of them anyway. She has beautiful, beautiful stuff, y'all. I order from her at least, I think she would probably tell you, once or twice a month, if not more. There's the pink football kit that I'm totally in love with. We put that there. Then the harvest kit with the glitter headers. Find yourself, and all of the samples. So y'all, please go check her out. Have an awesome week. Check out my Instagram, my Facebook, so that you know when the sales are going on and when I have sticker hauls or plan with me's. So it's PlannerNina_cricket, and I hope that y'all have an awesome day. Talk with you soon. Bye-bye.